Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rita from allhairandbeauty.com and All Hair and Beauty Salon. Today we've got another interesting thing that we are going to do, as I always promise to come out with. Today we are going to do cornrow wig cap. So sit down and watch me. These are the things that I use: my cream, my small needle, my scissors, my crochet hook, my band, the expression, mousse, and nets, and down cap. All the other things that I use, or all the things I'm going to use, will be on the description box below. So sit back and watch how I did it. As I always do, I've done a couple of videos, so it's normal how I always do the sew in net on the cap. And this time around I did it the normal way. I didn't do it inside, I did it on top of the cap. I saw the net on top of the cap. I wanted to see the difference on how it comes out, because normally I always do the inside cap and turn it and cut the remaining cap off. But this time I did it the normal way. I did it on top of the cap. I would just want to see how it goes. So this is the finishing of how I sew the lace on the cap. So sit back and watch it. So this is our starting bit. I'm going to do a few plaits at the back of the neck, so that the cornrow will not be so sticking at the back. So if you've watched my previous video, I use the same large hook, the small one, to put my foundation hair in. This is the foundation hair when I call it foundation, because it's serving as a hair from the scalp. Then I'll put my normal plait on to secure the braid. So the reason why I did that is, normally when we are doing cornrows or back or any style, the back of the head is very small. So if you try to do it all back, sometimes it just kind of tightens down. So I did few rows of single braid. Then that will make it more nicer and flat for me. That's why I chose that. So I just did about a couple of lines. Yeah. So I'm going to start my cornrows. And the cornrows is the same way. I'm putting a few hairlines there. That's how I'm going to do throughout. I'll put tiny hair out to serve as hair from the scalp, so that the cornrow will be secured. So the style I'm going to do is, I'm just doing one line of that foundation hair as well. Yep. So it's all sorted. Yeah. Then I will do my normal cornrows, how we would do the Ghana cornrows. Yeah. And if you want a training on how to do Ghana cornrows, please let me know. because I was just giving you an idea of how I did the cornrow cap. Yeah, so if you want a step-by-step on how to do Ghana cornrows, please comment and let me know so that I can do a training. I will take my time and do a training on it for you. So all the foundation here is helping me to let the cornrow more secured. When I read the back, I just do a fade in, because the cornrow, I just wanted the cornrow to just finish at the top bit and the back. I don't want to do the Ghana cornrow all the way to the back, so I just did a few Ghana cornrow, then the back fade in. I've finished with one side, so I just want the other side to match with it. That's why I'm marking it to help me go all the way to the end there. I'm just wasting my concealer. Anyway, so let's get started to the other side of it. It's so interesting, to be honest with you. It's so interesting. Get your things done, get your equipment or the things that you will use, get them ready. Keep practicing it. Practice makes one perfect. Don't give up, please. Don't give up. Use any spare time and practice it, please. You can do it. You can also use the same hair. You know, the first hair you've been putting there, you can use it as your starting point. So if you think that you are doing that, you can just use that first your foundation hair, start it like the way you would do cornrow. You know, normally we pick your own hair, start with it, then we add extension to it. So you can do it that way as well, whichever way you want to do it. Because I found out that when I did that, it was pulling the hair a bit. But as I always say, you just keep doing it, then you find your own fault, then you sort it out as you go. The main thing that I always come here to teach or to impart is you can watch so many videos, but you always learn something from anybody's video. So you just keep on watching it till you get something that you really want to learn from that particular video. See the way I'm putting the pins in, please watch that, because there are so many ways you can use that. You can use that same way to do ventilating as well, which is coming out how to ventilate your crochet wig to make it look more natural. So you can watch the way I'm doing that. There will be another video coming up soon on how I did so many things with that small pins. So please subscribe and press the notification button, and don't forget to share my videos as well. So here you go with my beautiful baby girl. The Ghana cornrow is done and it looks so beautiful. It is going to be on my head, as you always see me doing. You put your mousse on, then you blow dry it to make it more sleek and shiny. for watching my video. Thank you and stay blessed.